This 2018 Keystone Cougar Half-Ton East 3.4 TSB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 38 feet 1 inch in length and features Sleeps 11, LP detector, auxiliary battery, DVD player, smoke detector, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, stovetop burner, microwave, leveling jacks, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Keystone Cougar Half-Ton East 3.4 TSB is 8,480 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.